BNB Global is a distributor of Korean dried food products and carbonated beverages, including instant noodles. Due to rising electricity costs, BNB contracted Revel Energy to provide a turnkey energy solution, helping them lower their electricity costs and reduce carbon emissions. Historically, California businesses have experienced at least 3% year-over-year growth in electricity costs. Many businesses have seen much higher cost growth. Revel Energy was able to size its 62.32 kilowatt rooftop system, estimated to produce almost 103,000 kilowatt hours annually. This translates to significant energy cost savings and more sustainable, reduced carbon footprint. The entire system consists of over 160 PV modules rated for 380 watts each. One SolarEdge inverter and 82 power optimizers were added to increase the system's efficiency. As part of the turnkey service, Revel Energy's project managers worked with Santa Fe Springs city officials and code enforcement along the way to collect permits. After construction, project managers worked with local utility providers for interconnection and permission to operate. BNB Global issued a written testimonial. We were looking for a solution to our rising electricity costs. After speaking with several solar developers, we found that Revel Energy designed the most comprehensive system for our business. Sadie with Revel Energy was the developer we worked with, and she took a consultative approach with everything. We are incredibly happy after working with Revel Energy and looking forward to the numerous benefits of going solar for our business. BNB Global joins a long list of Revel Energy customers saving on electricity while lowering their carbon emissions for a more sustainable future. Revel Energy's team of commercial and agricultural solar specialists offer turnkey solutions for California businesses to lower their electricity costs, ultimately increasing cash flow. For a free comprehensive analysis, contact a Revel Energy solar specialist today.